As a civil engineer, mapili ako when it comes to properties I want to invest in. Location, affordability, and amenities. And all of these boxes I check sa Garden City, so I visited their showroom at Barangay Zapote 3, Bacoor, Cavite. I was really impressed by this development. Inspired by the modern architecture of Singapore, it is indeed an ultimate urban paradise. But what impressed me the most is yung location. Imagine, less than 5 minutes away lang siya from the new LRT Zapote Station, tapos may free shuttle service pa sila from Garden City to LRT everyday. 15 minutes away nga lang din pala to from Mall of Asia and AIA, so prime spot talaga. Panalong-panalo din lahat ng amenities dahil meron silang covered heated lab pool, game room, outdoor and indoor gyms, meron din silang theater, clubhouse, and library for bookworm like me. Golden Bay Land Holding nga pala ang developer nito, na winner ng Outstanding Property Award London 2020, so secured ka sa developer. Garden City offers studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom units. Pero sa studio unit pa lang, panalong-panalo ka na sa 30 to 44 square meters. Sobrang spacious nun. All units has its own balcony, kaya super okay ng natural light and ventilation. Kung hindi ito nga lang din sana si Kathleen, for sure magugustuhan niya to. All units has provisions for range hood, washing machines, tapos may free split type aircon ka pa. At super affordable nito kasi pre-selling pa sila. They are also open for bank financing and accredited din with pag-ibig financing options. Sure na talaga ako, G ako sa isa. So if interested ka din, visit their showroom now. Malay mo, maging magkapit bahay pa tayo.